I know I'm in first, but
That's fine, that way.
Just because it was a 10 mile.
Good. Well, here's a little thing. Why is our stop line much further forward than the one to our right? I'll talk about it in a minute. Let's concentrate on the lights. We're not going to be long, I don't think. Good. Off we go. Hold on. And then at the next set, turn left as well. So what lane?
Left hand side lane.
Have you got it?
Yeah. And then I'm going to pop another signal because I'm moving late.
Hold on.
I'm actually not sure. Was it because we need more room to manoeuvre?
No, someone else may. Turning into the road.
Oh.
Sorry. Deliveries for the supermarket. So
I never would have guessed that, you know, even though it's obvious when you say it.
It is obvious when I say, isn't it? And that's all it is. So if you see staggered lanes, it's usually for that reason.
Like why?
Okay. Cool. Sometimes you'll have lines all the way up to junctions, other times they'll be further back. When they're further back, more than likely, it will be because the road that you're on is narrow and any big vehicles need
more room.
It's dead obvious when
you say it.